What's up dudes, JJ here, and as many of you probably know, I am no longer in Australia, I'm in Africa. So I have been in Africa for nearly a week now. Started off in South Africa and I've just spent the last few days here in Namibia, one of the driest countries in the entire world and one of the least populated countries for its size in the entire world too. So we're here at the Namib Desert and are about to start exploring these amazing sand dunes, go climb right up to the top, see what we can see. And yeah man, I'm excited. I'll explain a little bit more about how I'm getting around, what I'm doing, what countries I'm going to soon, but now it's time to explore. Cool, so now we've hopped into four-wheel drive, gone a bit further out into the desert, and now we're in like a dead riverbed that hasn't seen water for quite some time. We're heading out to a spot where there's some old dead trees that have been there for up to 700 years, some of them. So it's a pretty rough ride out in the four-wheel drive, back on foot again now. So it's not quite as hot as I was expecting. Still pretty warm, but not super hot. But it's just so weird seeing like all these people like coming out of the dunes like hundreds of meters away. So yeah, maybe I take that back. It is pretty hot. We're actually here at the start of winter, believe it or not. In summer, this place would be absolutely scorching hot. Cool, so we just got to this bit in the middle with all these dead trees. It's actually quite a stark contrast. All the sand is red. In the middle here, it's like white. And surprisingly, we have seen quite a few animals out here, like lots of insects and little beetles and ants and stuff. And then some geckos, but even like some big herbivores like gemsbok, which is this antelope with like really long horns, springboks, and they just hang out in the desert. It's crazy. Like they don't need a drink very often. They get their moisture from the super dry looking plants. It's like they're perfectly adapted for it. It's pretty cool. heading back on the forward drive now. Hey dudes, so you know I mentioned a bit earlier in the video that I'd share what I'm doing in Africa, where I'm going, which countries I'm visiting. I did film a whole piece on that, believe it or not, but it's completely vanished off the SD card, so I guess I'll just tell you all about it now. Spent 4 weeks traveling with G Adventures on their overland vehicle dubbed the Lando, which is basically a big 4-wheel drive bus. It took us from South Africa up through Namibia, across Botswana, down Zimbabwe, and then back into South Africa again. And the whole way, or more or less the whole way, we camped. It was an unreal way to experience Africa. Made some lifelong friends, saw some amazing landscapes and amazing wildlife as well. And I really can't wait to share it all with you. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because lots more to see, lots more to share real soon.